Let me know if you can hear me in the comment section, guys. Let me know if you can hear me. All right. If you can hear me, drop a comment. Drop a comment. Let me know your location. What location are you watching from? Okay. If you can hear me, let me know your current location. What location are you watching from? What location are you watching from? Right. If you can hear me, for those who are already with me, let me know your location. Where are you watching from? Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Paris. Where are you watching from? Okay, I can see MC Gudu from Ghana, Evans from Lagos, Nigeria. I can see Abu Malik from Kebbi State. I can see Emmanuel. I see Clifford from Lagos, Obi from Lagos, Evans from Benin. I can see Paru from Pakistan. Awesome. I can see Shots from Indonesia. Nice to have you guys join us, because today we'll be carrying out some market analysis and positioning ourselves in the market, and also learning how to pick trades ourselves after analyzing the market. So interestingly, we are using a top-down approach. This is an approach of analyzing from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, from having a broader scope to a clearer scope the more you go down the lower time frame. Okay. And yes, so good. So here we can see that we need to outline what market, we need to understand what market structure the market is at present. Okay, because the current market structure would now determine what the business is about. So okay, here we have yes, so from what we can see here, we can see that the market experienced a breakout, a breakout some weeks back. That was okay, some years back, not even weeks back, years back here. So there has been a support level here. This level has been a very strong support level, not until 2020 of June, and the market experienced a breakout. All right. After this breakout came a retest, and the retest could not hold at the resistance level, where price has now broken into the breakout line. All right. So now we are looking out for what price is doing and most likely going to do on Euro USD at the resistance level now. Okay. So here we've been able to map support level. Yes, the support level. Here we've been able to map certain trend lines. So let's take it back to candlesticks. We can see now. So let's go to the lower time frame, which is the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame now, you can see that This is really showing that, price is has broken into the support level. Okay, price has broken into the support level now, broken through the support level and towards the upside. So because as at last week we were looking at price at 1.03, okay, and then we predicted that price would actually most likely push further. Okay, and here we can see how price has now pushed further. Now if we zoom closely into this place, so now there has been a breakout out of this level, right? So after this breakout out of this level, now we need to look out for the last three candles. What does the last three candles says? What have they formed? What's the momentum? Okay, so like those informations now would help you to guard your sense of judgment. Okay, guard your sense of judgment. So here let's go to the daily time frame. So we can see what is going on the daily time frame. Daily time frame give us more clearer scope into what's going on. Okay, so because if you look at it here now, price lingered longer on that support region. See, price lingered longer on that support region and has certain level of signal that it passed across. Because price has previously lingered here, there was a request that okay, price is going to push up and break out of this candlestick. All right, so that's what we're going to do now. That's what we are observing now. So here now we see price is trying to draw back after a breakout and a fast run. We see price trying to draw back. Okay, so but that might not last longer. Okay, that will not last longer. So that's it. That's what we are seeing here. Okay, so if we now go down to weekly time frame, so when we come to this weekly time frame, yeah, we can see how price broke out and is later being pushed back. So you can see this pushback that is happening here is that red candle that you are seeing. Okay, so let's run down straight to 2 hours, 2 hours or 1 hour. Okay, so you can see what's happening. Price is currently drawing down on the 4 hours time frame. Sorry, on the 1 hour time frame. All right, that's the hourly time frame. You can either use the 4 hours, you can either use the hourly time frame, whichever one works best for you. All right, whichever one works best for you. So that's it. So now what we are seeing here now, number one, let's map out thin levels where price would most likely form a reversal. Okay, price would most likely form a reversal. As you can see, price will most likely form a reversal here. So price coming to touch this level now. This level would now what? Prevent price from flying up further. Okay, so price comes to touch this level. Okay, so this is the level that we are watching now. If price come and touch this place and there is a significant reverse, then we are buying. Seriously, we are buying heavily. So yes, so we look out to see price come touch this level here. All right, exactly. Yes, if you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section. If you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section. I'm waiting for your comments. I'm waiting for your feedbacks. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. Any question? Someone said, please repeat what you said about buying. Okay. What is again? Can you say for me? It is a buy. Okay. 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 So looks like a buy, right? Why are we looking at this level, this price level, right? So this price level is like a new entry level just created. Okay, so I am looking at this level now as a key support level that will not, how do I put it again? That it won't look like, this level, which is a support level now. If price comes here now, the support is going to hold the price from falling down sharply, right? So, and that's it. You get, that's it. So someone asked another question. It says, if you want to learn Forex from scratch, please go to our website, go to the educational section and learn from scratch. Okay, someone says, why are we looking into it? Yeah, so definitely we are looking to currencies we can take advantage of, all right, in terms of making money. And this is very beautiful. Okay, this is very, very beautiful. But most importantly, the levels must be respected. Okay, these levels must be respected. And for the fact that it's a 1 hour candlestick, might not pose that this level will be that significant. Okay, let's see if we have something like that in 2 hours. You understand? So if you want to try it out, just pay attention and watch how price reverse a bit in this level. If price reverse a bit in this level, then you start buying. All right. Awesome. Okay, so your number of pips, leverage, and lot size is dependent on who you are as a trader. All right, it depends on who you are as a trader, and also who you represent. Okay, what you represent, what you are looking out for on the chart. All right. So here we will be looking to buy when price touches the next support level. Okay. Good. I believe you get that clear now. Awesome. So let's look at GC sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's look at this now. So here, let's run a top to bottom approach. Okay, here we go. We have a top to bottom approach here. So when we use a trend line to get the direction of the market for a start, so here you can see that we've first trying to understand what the market structure is. Okay, and aside from that, also we've been able to map out levels of supports and resistance. All right, so when you look at this now, we come here. Okay, good. Here's what we have now. So we're able to use this one. So now let's see, we have some quite similar market direction with Euro USD. So when you zoom in closely on this, we can see that price fell out of this breakout of this ranging price level and broke out of the support level. All right, then price went up again, maybe went for a retest, went up here now, and right now as we're speaking, we can see price at a level below the level at which it broke out from, below the support level. If you look at it closely, it's below the support level. All right, this is a monthly time frame. Let's look at the weekly time frame to give us a closer perspective into what is currently going. So if you look at this now, after a breakout, there are 80% chances of a pullback, and after a pullback, price continues to fall, or if it breaks back into that resistance turned support turned resistance, okay, we will see that price would, range a bit up and keep going up for a while. All right, but the situation we are in currently here is not looking the same. Okay, it's not looking the same. So what we have here is a breakout happening. If you look at the way it happened, okay, a breakout happened here and price went up, price went down strongly, then went up again, now it's coming down. All right, so what's important for us to understand here is that first there was a breakout, all right, of from this level. Okay, secondly there was a retest at this level. All right, so it's important that a trader understands that after a retest, all right, there is another advantage to take from the market. When there is a retest, you can short the opposite direction of that market. Okay, so as price has gone up and touched the resistance zone here, you can then set a sell off order and sell off all required token, I mean like currency. Okay, so let's trying to sorry, please do let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and I will do well to attend to it before we round off. Okay, so here we go. Now we are here now waiting for what? We are here waiting for to see what would most likely happen at this level. All right, because this level will determine a lot of decision that would need to be made. Okay, so someone is saying explain gold. All right, maybe I'll touch on that before we round off. Yeah, someone is saying something, says what is the real time? Like I say, like I used to say, there is no best time frame. All right, or there is no ideal time frame to to determine the change in blah blah. There is no ideal time frame. However, one particularly can develop some personal strategy, okay, that can help others when trading, to take advantage of the market. Okay, so that's why we have this product falling. Okay, let's have a quick one on gold. Yeah, like you can take advantage of Euro USD, USD JPY, take advantage of currency pairs that have currency pairs that have USD pair. Okay, yes. So look at what is happening on gold now. On gold, we have three different okay. Now if you look at what I did here on this place, now I tried to already create the price levels, okay, the supports and the resistance zones. All right, I've tried to create them. So here we can see what I did, mapping out all those key levels. Okay, key levels. Now it is through these key levels you can now determine what next the market is likely going to do. All right, so because if you can see now, okay, if you can see now, you discover that here we have a support level, here we have another support level, here we have a minus resistance zone, okay, here we have a major resistance zone. So that has actually given us a green light as to where next we might be expecting price. Okay, so let's go to lower time frame. Good. So because if you look closely now, you see something different. So here we can pretty much see what is happening and what we would most likely expect. Okay, so because if you look at this now, if you look at this level, here is where price consolidated for some time. Okay, so you can see here now, here price can break out from here. Okay, and also price can break out from here. So if price breaks out of this minor trend line and break out to the downward side, we might be seeing more fall in price. Okay, we might be seeing more fall in price here than we will at any other point. Okay, so yeah, so let's go down to the lower time frame, to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, awesome. So yeah, we can see what's happening here, right? We can see how price has been, though lingering but moving up. Look at this. Okay, so we can see what price is doing here, or has done here, and is currently doing here. Okay, so we need to watch this level on gold. This level, we need to watch it. So here now would really determine a lot. If price falls out of this bracket, if price falls out of this bracket, it would be a buy. And if price falls below this bracket, it would be a sell. So here is it, something like this. So if price falls below this bracket like this now, we would be looking to short the market down to this level. Okay, but if price picks up and shoots out of this box, then what happens? We pick it up from there as well. Okay, and that's it. That's it. Interesting. So let me know if you have any question in the comment section. If you have any question in the comment section, please do well to share, so we'll pick it up from there. Have any questions? Do well to share. I'm waiting for your questions. I'm waiting. Someone said, any other question pertaining to the analysis of tonight? So we could take it up from there. It's very important. Let me know in the comment section, because here now we have used this the trend line as our benchmark. Once a breakout occurs out of this, we are shorting. Once there is a breakout of this level out of the resistance zone, then we are going long. All right, we are going long. Okay. Okay, your questions. Is there any pattern that looks for? Yes, for Danny's question, these are the patterns you look for, right? I've drawn out those patterns, so let me zoom in again so you can see what I'm saying clearly. So here is the pattern now. If price breaks out of this trend line, okay, we are shorting the market. All right. However, if price pushes up, we're on the 4 hours time frame. If price pushes up and comes out of this box, okay, then we are buying. Okay, so what is the best time frame to show? Yeah, like I said, there is no best time frame, but it depends on what type of trader you are. So if you are an intraday trader now, the daily time frame would be a good fit for you to be able to catch in on trends, and if you are an intraday trader, okay, for an intraday trader now, 4 hours time frame is a good fit for you. All right, yeah. Okay. Okay, I just finished analyzing Euro USD. Someone is saying we should reference Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Okay. What do we what do we have here? Okay. Yeah, so you can see that for Euro USD now, it became a different, so it's quite similar to good. So you can see for Euro USD now, here we've already outlined this place here as the area of the breakout, what is it called, price level. Okay, price broke out from this level, and when you look at it now, price had gotten back into that breakout level. Okay, price has gotten back into that breakout level and came back to touch that breakout level. If we zoom in, so if you zoom in now, you see that even though there have been so many bullish power and momentum in the past few days, we can see today price actually turned around. Okay, and don't forget, it is still within that range of that support turned resistance level, because it was at this level here that there was a breakout towards this side. That's why we see this trend that was created here. Now price has now gone up to test run that region again to know if that region is still strong enough and it is weak for it to push through and go up. All right, so now it is still within that region. So we want to be sure that price is not coming to, having pulled down now and now continue to fall. Okay, so we would have to wait to see what price will do after this line. Okay, if price rejects back up, then we know that we are in for a bullish momentum. But if price breaks down into this region, down to this level, okay, if price breaks down to this level, if price breaks out of this box here, then we know that yes, there is something that needs to be taken serious. All right, so what we are looking out for is if price pushes up back to this level here, then we see some bullish momentum coming in. But if price falls below this box here, then we know that okay, we need to we are going to short the market. All right, yeah. Any other questions? If someone said gold 15 minutes please, so I kindly check. Okay, when there is a breakout, how do you know if good? So when there is a breakout, how do you know that a breakout is a fake breakout? That's why when I was explaining the GBP USD, when I was explaining the GBP USD, when you see for every breakout that occurs, there is always a pullback. Okay, for every breakout that occurs, there is always a pullback. So you could see here now, I will show you. You will see here now that when a breakout occurred, what happens? Price still pulled back. Okay, so for every breakout, there would always be, there are 80% chances that there will be a pullback. All right, so and when a pullback occurs, a pullback is just to test the level at which it broke out from, or the region at which it broke out from, if that region is still strong or is now weak, and it will go back into where it broke out from. But when there is a pullback like that, you want to wait for a turnaround back in the direction of the previous breakout. So when it goes back in the direction of the previous breakout after retesting its level, okay, so imagine we are looking at something like this. So we're looking at something like, let's say this is a price surface level, right? And price break out of this level. So definitely there are 80% chances of a pullback. Okay, so if price comes up to this level now, there are chances that price might still go higher and break into that resistance level. But if price turns around again, okay, and look at, if we are measuring this level and price turns back and breaks below this level, then we are shorting the market, okay. But if price goes back up here and creates some kind of, and you now short the market hoping that it will come down and it just keeps going up, that's a fake breakout, okay. But for the real breakout, you have to be patient to spot it, because it will just make it will just it will present itself. Exactly, the opportunity would present itself. Okay, any other question? Someone said we should look at gold. I just look at gold. So let's see what you are talking about. Gold. Yeah, like it is advisable you don't even trade the news. You get, it's advisable you stay away from the market when the news is about to be up. Alright, because the news can mess with your trade. And definitely the news makes the market highly volatile, which makes you not to be in control. So the best thing to do is to exit the market, prior to the news. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame for gold. Did you see what's happening here now? Let me delete all this. Did you see what's happening for gold here? Did you see that? Look at this. So when you see price, consolidating at a particular level like this, okay, it brings some higher level of probability that price will fall further a bit. All right, that price would fall further a bit. When you see price, when you see the market come down like this and the price level is just troubling in a single direction, okay, consistently like that, you expect a further fall in price. So what we are seeing here now might lead to a further fall in price in gold. Okay, so you have to watch out for this level in gold. When there's a breakout of this level, you are shorting the market. When there's a breakout of here, then you are buying. Okay, so you have to patiently wait. Interestingly, patience is where the profit lies, because money would move from the hand of the impatient and move to the hand of the patient. It will move from the hand of the ignorant to the hand of the knowledgeable. But most importantly, that's why Octa FX has put this up, in order for you to be knowledgeable and in order for you to be able to learn. Okay, and that's important. That's pretty much important. Okay. Yeah, so any other questions said? Yeah, like, so price action does it. Okay, you can use price action to confirm your market entry. All right, you can use price action to confirm your market entry. Okay, that's just perfect. So most importantly now, I want you guys to take it up on yourself. Try implement some of these strategies, what you've learned, put them into practice, and definitely you get better by practice. All right, by practice. So yeah, definitely. What was he saying? Yeah, like gold is volatile. You understand? So yeah, gold is very very volatile. You just have to um, be careful when trading it, and also when trading Euro USD or other currency pairs, and there is news, try to avoid the market. The news gets the market highly volatile, and most times you get burnt. All right, good. Yeah, you can always access the news from um, Forex Factory, and you can also access the news from our platform, Octa FX news calendar, economic calendar. So you always get those updates. You can sign up for our updates. You always get those updates, via your email to tell you, okay, you know what, these are the news that are coming out this week, tomorrow, and the likes like that. All right, good. So I believe we all have gotten value from today's session. I want to also believe that we are following what has been taught. Okay, yeah. So most importantly, practice makes perfect. Okay, let's do well to put in what we are doing into action. I don't see your question, right? I don't see your question. You said, what do I do after depositing 15,000? 15,000, what do you do? Yeah, so like, why did you deposit the 15,000 in the first place? It's for you to trade, yeah? If I want to believe along with you. So, which means when you deposit the 15,000 naira, you are trading with it. So, and that's fine, okay? But I'll just tell you that do well to to implement risk management. Okay, risk management is very 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 important, very very important. All right, and yeah, like interestingly for us, it's important that you don't forget to implement the Octa FX deposit promo code using Tunmise 100, and we have some other offers for you that you might also want to implement, which is the New Year package. All right, the New Year package. You get to have up to 15% lower spread, 1:1000 leverage, and this opportunity has started already. Okay, you don't want to miss out from this. No, you don't. Okay. Yeah, so welcome back. That's a reminder for the opportunity we have for you. You would see the link on the on our description. Take advantage of it. And get the best of it. All right, good. Yes, how do you? Yeah, by risk management. Maybe in our next session, I'll take my time to explain risk management. Risk management, you have to watch out for your lot size. Okay, because your lot size should not the higher your lot size, the higher your risk. All right, good. The higher lot size, the higher your risk. So you need to be mindful of your lot size so that you don't get to blow up your account faster and easily. All right, in our next session, I want to see each and every one of you there. Invite your friends and do well to get ready for the session. I would take some time to explain risk management, and then would dive into the live trading for the day. All right, thank you very much for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you in our next